Hey guys, so finally I've finished redecorating my room and giving it a makeover. This process started, I think, 2 years ago when COVID first started, because that's when I came back to Hong Kong and my room was just so messy, so crowded and so unorganized, which just didn't do me well mentally. And I just wanted to show you guys how I did some very simple rearrangement and changed out some really simple things without renovating the room and still giving it a whole new vibe. So I really like how it is right now. I've rearranged all the furniture, got some new furniture, new curtains, changed my bed frame, but didn't change a lot of the other desks and shelves that I have. Just a change of atmosphere and a change of mood makes me a lot happier. Since I'm staying in Hong Kong for good, this was just what was really needed for my room. And let's go and take a look at how I did the big makeover. I went through a bunch of different furniture arrangements because I didn't know what I wanted and what felt best for my room. I also did a lot of cleaning in the corners and the walls that was really hard to access. Space is so precious in Hong Kong, that's why storage is a very important aspect. I rearranged my clothing storage, my jewelry, and my makeup. I got this drawer set from YoLoBuild for about $800. It's made of wood and designed in a way that you can freely customize the storage sets. So I really like this set. It was exactly what I was looking for. Next, it was time to get a new bed frame. My bed frame was from 10 years ago and my new one is from MUJI. It was surprisingly so easy to put together, so I just put it together with my dad really quickly. The quality of wood is actually pretty good, so I'm really impressed with this purchase. Then I picked up this chair from IKEA. My previous chair was broken and also from more than 10 years ago, so this was a really nice upgrade. The window blinds are old and broken, so I decided to switch to curtains. However, the false ceiling doesn't help me with mounting the rods on, so I opted for some tension rods. I got the curtains and the tension rod from Taobao, but putting it on was the biggest challenge because my window is pretty wide, so it's about 2 meters, and it took me a lot of work to do this alone. So I moved my bed over by the window, changed out all the blinds and turned it into curtains, took out one of the desks, left this wooden desk here, got a new chair that is still there, but I've reorganized some things. Here are all my masks and sunglasses, essential stuff for going out. This is kind of my jewelry area, so I have some rings and some earrings, bracelets and whatnot, and then some just little decorations. And I got my Dyson Airwrap set here, and then the rest are kind of like documents and books for school. This is where I put my everyday makeup. It's a little messy, but I like it organized like this because I can just take this and travel whenever travel is an option. As for this bookcase, I took out some books, reorganized some books, replaced some of the shelves with random stuff, kind of a bookshelf slash storage because space is scarce, so it's important to kind of use up all the space that you have for storage. And then if you go to the side, this is a dry flower wreath that I made last year, I think, a year or two ago, and I really like it there. and a dream catcher that my friend gave me many years ago. And on my bedside, this is a air purifier. This is the bedside table that I got with a lot of perfume samples. My other perfumes. This is my favorite hand cream ever from Caudalie. Love their hand creams. A candle and just night stuff. I installed this little hook here so that I can put my charger cables. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeover and it inspired you to make little changes in your room and gave you some ideas of how to make a big change in your mood, but just small change in your daily routine